Hey everybody, we're gonna make a smoothie today.
Oh,
A Super Berry Smoothie. The boys love this. They have already put into the container some wild blueberries,
avocado,
and some dark sweet cherries,
avocado,
and some strawberries.
Avocado.
And we defrosted them just a tiny bit so they're not rock hard but still frozen. We're gonna add half of an avocado.
Avocado.
You wanna put that in there?
Yeah.
Okay, well go ahead. Put it in there. All right. We're gonna also add, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Okay? Okay, I'll let you do that one, and then Warren can do the next one. Just a minute. Okay. You want to do another scoop since that was just a partial one?
Yeah.
Ooh, get in there. All right, good job.
More.
No, that's enough.
Okay,
Okay, you're gonna do this one. We are gonna put in, oops. Okay, if you're gonna use that scoop, that's fine. Just 1 scoop. Whoa, that's way too much. Okay. Okay, just a minute. I gotta put this one away.
I need this.
No.
I
We can't have
need
too much of
that.
that. The little
I
bit goes
need
a long
that.
way.
I
This-
need that.
William.
I need that.
Okay, we use the Asante Organics Earth Greens, which are really awesome. They're organic and toxic free, and they're really good. No fillers or anything.
This one, not for you.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna add our liquid. We're gonna add some coconut milk to it. You want to help me do this?
No, I want that big for you. Let me do
Okay.
it. Let me do it.
All right.
Let me do it. My turn. My turn. My turn. My
Okay,
turn.
you hold it up there. We have enough? Let me go get the new one, okay? Just a minute. Okay, we refreshed. We're gonna finish pouring it in up to the max fill line. Okay, and we're gonna put the lid on it.
This one.
Put the lid on it. We're gonna give it a little shake. And then we're going to blend it and
Mimi.
okay. Match up the little. I think it's done.
No. Oh, I think it's done.
Okay, well, let's get out our straws and try it. So this is our Super Berry Smoothie. And with that green powder, you can get your kids to have green vegetables, lots of them, in a yummy, safe way. That is good. Oh, you got avocado in that one. You're gonna have to suck it hard to get the avocado out of there. I know.
I'll do. No.
Just a minute. You use mine. Okay, what do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Is that a good?
No,
Do you give it a
no.
thumbs up?
I want to see it, okay?
Sure. Thumbs up. All right. All right, say thank you, everybody.
Thank you, boys.
Bye-bye.